Snowman Clan, welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona at Blue Compass RV. We're looking at a Brinkley. We love the Brinkleys. Brand new manufacturer. This is the 3610, so let's take a look. All right, so when we get up here in the front, as you see, really huge storage up front. They've got the little sort of textured floor down here, so it grips your stuff so it's not sliding around. Love all the space, love how it's finished. There's an access door here for you to get to some of your services that are back here, but it's nice, it's behind a door, which leaves your storage nice and clean. There's also a water hook up here and a few other things. Just in front of that, you got a 30-pound propane tank on this side. This is a 6-point auto level system. There's one of the hydraulics there. If you look up, Lisa, there are two awnings. One that starts right here at the front and goes over to the door, and then there's another one on the slide. As you're looking up, notice it's hard to find the windows. I love how the windows are sort of tied into the graphics. They are frameless windows. As we move forward a little bit, or should I say back, here's a nice outdoor kitchen sort of area, a couple of drawers, right, and a little micro fridge. And these are metal too. They're not wood, right? Nice Moride step with the extended handle, and I love this type of step. It sort of articulates to whatever your height is. So let's move around to the back, Lisa. Right, as you see, as we get to the back, there's a ladder already permanently mounted for you. There is a backup camera already on this model. There's a utility hitch, and just above that, another large storage compartment, Lisa.
Love the storage.
Yeah, lots of storage on this sucker.
Yeah.
Love that. As we come around to the side, there's 3 slides on this side. Right, this does have a road armor from Lippert, upgraded suspension on here. Now your sewer connection is underneath the slide. As you can see, it's right there. There's also storage for your stinky slinkies, which is right there as well. We come forward just a little bit more. Here is your power connection. A little bit further is your water bay. And I love the trough that's here, so the water would just drip down there if you had a leak. Another interesting thing, by the way, is sort of the split door. Right, there's a slide here, as you can see, but you see this door would be here, it'd be a little bit in the way, so they split it. So this part goes all the way up, this other part goes out.
Love that.
Right?
Yes.
Let's not forget the leveling system controller is right here.
Oh, I like that that's on an angle too.
Yeah.
It's not flat against the wall, so you can see.
Yep, a little bit easier to see.
Yeah.
And then you got a second 30-pound propane tank right here. So let's go ahead and get a look at the numbers.
Sure.
This has a gross vehicle weight of 17,695 pounds and has a cargo carrying capacity of 2,751 pounds. So you can carry a bunch of stuff in this one. As we come around to the front, you got a Rhino box, so it's an upgraded pin box. And then here's your utility cabinet. This is where your batteries go, your solar charger, your hydraulic pumps. Again, just sort of a utility bay. If you're going to mount a generator, it would come in here as well. So let's go check out the inside. All right, so we're in the inside now. One of the things that I like about the Brinkley is it's a very clean look, Lisa.
Yeah, it
right?
is.
It really is nice, sort of modern, right? So when you come back here, you've got a sofa, and you know it's all the full width except for the end stands. But you know, at my height, you know, I'm not going to fit if I want to lay down. I mean. So, if you don't know, if you're finding our videos for the first time, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. And as you can see, obviously I can't completely stretch out. This does fold out to be a bed. There are these little end table / nightstands here, so that you can store some things down in there, right? And you can see there's also power and USB, 2 types of USB, which is cool. All right, above there's some cabinetry. And it's a full pass-through all the way to either side.
Very nice.
Nice wall sconces, the big windows in the back, okay? And then on the side of that, you've got your theater chairs. Oh, these are comfy, Lisa.
Very nice.
Yeah, they are part manual, part electric. So the recline is manual, but there are charging ports and massage and stuff. You also have a little storage cabinet in between. The only thing that's missing is like a cup holder. There's no cup holder.
Oh.
Yeah, so I thought that was strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you can put one there and the other one has to go on the table.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Well, directly across from here is your entertainment center. A nice big TV. It's on a televator, so there's a window behind there. So if you're somewhere where the offside views are really nice and you're not watching TV, this can be down and you can see out. But you can still see out the window there in the kitchen. Obviously, there's a ridiculously huge fireplace down there, Lisa.
Yes,
That
look
thing-
at that.
It's got to spit out some BTUs, right? And a nice sort of shelf there for different things.
Yeah.
And then we get into the kitchen area.
Yes, and I love that they always have the solid surface. I love that.
Yes.
So we have the nice big island. We got the large single basin sink. Love the faucet.
gold.
Yes. Underneath that, we have
Oh, yeah.
a place for your paper
at that.
towels and all your baggies and all that fun stuff, as well as trash. Underneath the sink, plenty of storage there,
Oh, wow.
right?
You know, it's nice that your trash is here, but you still end up with that really large storage underneath.
Yeah, and then we also still have 3 of the drawers. Very nice.
You know what would be nice to install there? You know, one of those dedicated water?
oh yeah,
so
you
you
could
could put
do
like
that.
a 5-gallon container under there and it just comes out the spout here.
Yeah,
There's
absolutely.
Ideas?
Yeah, and then opposite of that, we have the residential stove. It's a 3-burner stove. We've got a nice oven in here. There's storage underneath the oven as well as all around. We've got drawers with a little
yeah.
raised area for your spices. This one that's a deep drawer
Nice.
there. And we've got space over here. Above, we have a large microwave with storage on each side,
Excellent.
right? And then we have this beautiful Furrion
Residential size. Yeah.
refrigerator freezer.
And
Isn't
then,
that
of
nice?
course, is on electric.
Yes. So moving right along, we have a nice pantry here with the adjustable
Yeah, I love
shelves.
seeing the adjustable shelves. And these are solid too, y'all. They're
And-
not flimsy little shelves.
And there's an outlet in there too, so if you wanted to store, some small appliances in there, you could do that as well.
Yes. But you got your little coffee bar out here.
You do have. And then there's power there. You've got lighting above. I don't think that's going to turn on.
we're
'cause
not plugged in right now.
Yeah, but we do have power there. There's cabinetry above and below. And some drawers.
By the way, with the drawers, and we didn't detail it, they're all dovetailed. Right? I mean, it's real wood construction, y'all. All right, so there's an access panel. There's also a door here, so there's an additional panel right there.
Oh, and I don't want to overlook the fact that we do have power on the island as well. I didn't
Nice.
mention that.
We missed a dinette, right?
sure did.
So it's a combination of 2 chairs and a bench. What's nice about this is that bench is movable, Lisa.
I know, I like that.
So say you want to use it as like an ottoman, your footrest, if you will, down over there, you can do that, which is great. So,
Love that.
and there's
look
also
at the
storage
lighting.
there. Oh, yeah, that's kind of neat.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, and then as we go up here, oh, look at the stairs. You can store some shoes and stuff underneath there. But this is a mid bunk. Look at this. Oh, it's so nice in here.
It is, isn't
Hi, everybody.
it? Is it just me,
yeah.
or does this seem roomier than the other mid bunks too?
Well, you know why?
Why is
Because
that?
a lot of the other mid bunks, there's that extra bunk above this space, so the ceiling is much lower.
Oh, maybe that's
And this is full height.
Maybe that's it.
Here's an interesting thing, I guess, for hanging clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Anyway, so when you come in, this folds out to be a bed. This is another sofa. I mean, I can try to lay on it for you, but obviously I'm not going to fit. Okay. But this does fold out to be a bed. If you're not using it as a bed, you see it's sofa. Above here is another bunk, right? And as you see, it's on pistons, and so you just pull it down. It's tight, so I don't want to pull it too much, right? But that is the second bunk up there. All right. Across from here is, well, your TV. Obviously, you can see that. If there's somebody that lives in here full time, obviously there's a dresser. There's some cabinetry up above. I think I would use this as an office, Lisa.
Yeah. There's enough cabinetry in here. I think you can use it as both.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, this look at this, Lisa. It's sort of a pass through to the outside.
Nice.
That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
There's some hidden storage in here too. Look at this. This pulls out.
Ah, very nice.
All right. Yeah, I like that.
Right.
This is one of my more favorite mid bunks.
Yeah.
And there's a few hooks here for hanging jackets and stuff if you want to use this for storing, your jackets for coming in the door, because your main door is right here.
Right.
And so you just come in and hang your jackets there.
Right. And we didn't really even talk about the bottom dresser part.
No, I pointed it out, but I didn't open any of it up.
Yeah, we didn't open anything, but there is plenty of storage in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, well, let's keep on moving.
All right.
Go up the stairs towards the master, but, oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, if you were jumping around the video and missed it, I'm 6'4". Again, use my height as reference. Oh, by the way, if this is your first time finding our videos, do us a huge favor. Thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and we would sincerely appreciate it down at the bottom of our heart. We thank you. Okay, so I'm on a porcelain foot flush toilet, and as you can see at my height, there's no problems in here, Lisa.
Nice.
There's definitely. Okay, directly across is the sink, under counter mount. I like the shape of the countertop. Makes it easier to get in and out from the door, right?
True.
So you have some nice storage underneath there.
Very nice.
Then you have 3 drawers. They're all the same size. Okay. Nice faucet. A little place to put your towel here, and then a mirror and a medicine cabinet, right? In the mirror, I can see my entire self in there.
Love it.
Speaking of cabinets, there's some more J-hooks behind. There's a place to put your toilet paper. I don't want to forget that, right? Your extras and your one that's out. But you also have compartments in here for your linens and things, towels and maybe sheets or whatever, right?
Love it.
Big cabinetry. And then there's the shower. All right, so this is great, guys. At my height, I don't even have to stand in the bubble. I could just sit back here and let that rain head just hit me, or the body washes. I love that.
How often do you see a shower head that is your height?
Rarely. Not just that, even if I had to be in the bubble's almost the entire, width of the shower. I could still use it. There's also a handheld, right? So you got your shower head, your body wash, and a handheld. There's a couple of baskets there. There's a shelf down there, as well as in the back. I think it's more for maybe a foot. Yeah, I suppose you put stuff on there. And of course your glass doors. Okay.
Very nice.
All right, let's move up to the front. We've got one room left, and that is the master. All right, let's climb on that so y'all can see. So this is a bamboo mattress. This isn't just a placeholder. It's a decent feeling mattress. I'm thinking this is an RV King.
That sounds about right.
Width is, drum roll please, 70 by 78. Something tells me it's underneath. Let's just call it 70 by 80. Either way, it's an RV King, okay? The only thing that I miss in here really, and we saw this in the Brinkley 3100, is it doesn't have nightstands, right? Place to put drinks or whatever next to the bed. They're above the window. There's a shelf up there, and as you can see, there's also USB charging ports. So that sort of, I want almost a valance for the windows is meant for you to put your phones and things like that at night, or a bottle of water. I think it's just a little awkward. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're laying here at night and you want a drink, it's it's just awkward. I mean, it's nice that they put it there. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is that awkward having that there? Would you rather have the nightstand, or would that work for you? Leave a comment below. All right, next here is magazine rack.
Sure.
I don't know. What would y'all put there too? I don't know. Give us some ideas down in the comments of what you would use this shelf area for. The bed. Let's make sure there's no. Yep, there is storage underneath here. It's on some nice pistons, decent sized storage.
Very
Love
nice.
it. Okay. Directly across from the bed is your dresser and TV. So the TV's up top, we'll show you in a second. Got some hidden storage here.
Love that.
Just like the mid bunk. And again, you've got 7 drawers there. Again, all dovetailed, nice drawers. And I mentioned the TV. There's the TV up there. All right, this cabinet here would be for a washer and dryer. If you want to install a washer and dryer in here. To the right is some more little cubbies. Again, whatever you want to put in there. What's nice about having the dedicated closet for the washer and dryer, it leaves your clothes closet completely just clothes. You're not sharing it with the washer and the dryer.
I love that.
There's power in there. It's prepped to put a cordless vacuum in there if you want. Okay.
Very nice.
So yeah, the 3610. We didn't see this when we were in Florida. We saw the Brinkleys doing their debut at the Ford RV Super Show back in, was it January? Early February? I forget.
January.
January. Yeah, so they didn't have this one there, if I remember correctly. I think it was the 3100, so this is our first time seeing this. Let us know what you think of this model, guys. Yeah, we really like it.
Yeah.
Right? So, Tall Man Clan, God bless you guys. We really do appreciate you. And until we see you all again on the road, be safe.